This is a Rolex Daytona 116599 RBR. It's 18 karat white gold and fully loaded with factory set diamonds straight from Rolex. Now this looks exquisite. It's in excellent condition. You can tell because of the crown and the pusher. There's almost no signs of wear. Now the diamonds here really sparkle. The dial is mother of pearl. It's something you don't see very often. It's more of an old school, early 2000s, 90s, even 80s kind of thing, but it is not that old, don't worry. The buckle is also in great condition. You can tell this watch has hardly been toyed with, very rarely worn even. It's not been polished. I would recommend a polish with a pro in our factory. It's going to look good as new. I mean, seriously, it's too good of an offer to not take up. If you got the money for it and you're looking to splash out on something that'll really hold its value, this is definitely going to be the piece for you. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, share. We always got stuff like this. Come check us out.